In this video, I'll show you how to buy an NFT on OpenSea. First, open your web browser and go to the OpenSea website. Click Login and connect your crypto wallet, such as MetaMask, Coinbase wallet, or another supported wallet. Make sure your wallet has enough cryptocurrency to cover both the purchase price and any network fees. Now, use the search bar to find the NFT you want to buy. Click on the NFT to open its details page, where you can review the price, collection, creator, and other important information. Next, if the NFT has a fixed price, click Buy Now. If it's listed as an auction, place a bid by clicking Make Offer or the available bidding option and enter the amount you're willing to pay. After that, review the purchase details carefully, including the total cost and any network fees. If everything looks correct, confirm the transaction in your connected wallet. Now, wait for the blockchain to process the transaction. This may take a few moments depending on the network you're using. Finally, once the transaction is confirmed, return to your OpenSea profile and open the Collected tab. Your new NFT should appear there, and it will also remain associated with your connected wallet. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to buy an NFT on OpenSea. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.